Hey ladies, so let's talk about the ins and outs of eyeshadow. We always talk about blending and picking the right colors and how when you have a palette it makes it easier, but let's be honest, sometimes it's just hard. Sometimes you just don't know where to start. You always hear about transition colors and I was like, oh yeah, transition colors, what does that mean? So I'm going to show you all a quick tutorial of my favorite way to do eyeshadow, the colors that I've learned that I really like and the palette that I like. So I'm going to show you them first, and then I will show you how to do it. So this orange, I never would have picked this orange up, but it is a gorgeous transition color. And then this Victorious Cream Shadow is a matte, and all of our matte cream shadows have primer built in them, and I have really liked to use this as an all-over color, and then you don't have to use primer, and it makes a really gorgeous color. It covers up all those like little veins in your eyes. And then we're going to use palette 1. So, are you ready? Let's see how to blend and what brushes to use. So to start out, I'm going to use that Victorious Cream Shadow with our cream shadow brush and just cover up my entire lid. And like I said, it just perfectly covers up all of your little tiny veins and all the imperfections in your eyelids. I love this color. And then let's start with our transition color. This orange is our pigment in Giddy, and I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush just to blend it all over, basically all over my eyelid, just not up to my eyebrow, almost up to my eyebrow, but you want to leave that light color for a highlight right under your brow. And like with any eyeshadow, it's buildable, so you don't have to start out really heavy, but you can always go in and add as much as you want to get the color that you want. So now I'm going to go in with palette 1, that's our neutrals and browns. This is our crease brush, and I'm just going to use the color Chipper. And what you want to do after you do your transition color is pick a shade for your crease that is darker than your transition, but not as dark as the darkest color you want to use. And then you can just build that up as you want. And kind of bring it in that outer V. Then I'm going to go in with Forthright, and that is another matte color in our palette 1, and it's dark. It's our darkest color, and I'm just going to use that. I'm going to really dig into my crease and do that outer V just to smoke it out a little bit. And so those are 3 different colors. You went lightest to medium to darkest. And now I'm just going to blend with our deluxe brush. And you can leave it that way with the matte from the Victorious. And what I'm going to do is go in and blend a little bit more with that Giddy color just to blend really well so that dark doesn't take over. And then instead of leaving the matte Victorious, I'm going to go in with some Brassy and just brighten that up because everything I have on right now is matte. And you really want to brighten up the middle of your eye, and then you can blend that out.